Hello, Jenny.
Hello, teacher.
Today we're having speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start, please. Jenny, please tell me what are these?
They are shoes.
What are these?
They are socks.
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 What is this?
This is a tail.
Okay, can you spell the word tail?
T-A-I-L.
Very good. What is this?
It's a kite.
Can you spell the word kite?
K-I-T-E.
That's very good. What is this?
It's a castle.
This is a
Castle.
castle. Sand?
Sand castle.
Very good. What is this?
It's a train.
Can you spell the word train?
T-R-A-I-N.
Very good. Can you please tell me who is this?
It's a Mickey. Miss Mickey.
This
Mr.
is Mr.
Mickey.
Mickey. Can you name 3 things that Mr. Mickey has got?
Mr. Mickey has got a red jacket. Mr. Mickey has got a black and red hat. Mr. Mickey has got blue shorts.
Blue socks. Okay. Can you speak up? Now, what has Anna got?
Anna got a pizza.
What has Mary got?
Mary got a chicken.
What have Tom and Jill got? They have got
They have got milkshake and fries.
fries,
Fries.
French fries. Now, what is it?
It's a t-shirt.
What is it?
It's a skirt.
What are they?
They are boots.
What are they?
They are shorts.
What are they?
They are gloves.
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 What is it?
This is a dress.
It's a dress. Can you please tell me what you do in the morning?
I wake up. I wash the cheese.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. I make a bed.
My bed.
I drink dress.
I get dressed.
I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I bag my school bag.
School bag. Okay. What
I
else?
go to school.
Get to school. Very good. Can you please tell me what is this place?
It's a garden.
And where is the dog?
The dog is under the table.
Where is the orange juice?
Oranges is on the table.
How many fish are there?
There are 3 fish.
Where is the frog?
The fox is in the leaf.
On
It's on the leaf.
the leaf. Okay, thank you. Can you please read the story? Jack
But the penguin.
Jack and
Jack and the penguins.
the penguins.
Penguins. But the penguins don't look happy. Some water and some little fish. He asked. The penguins jump up and down, up and down. Jack laughs and says, "Sure, penguins like water and fish. I'm learning a lot today." Jack goes back to the kitchen. He puts some water and a big blow, and then 5 the big gray cupboard. 20 fish. 10 little penguins. Great, he says, and carries everything carefully to the penguins.
Okay, thank you so much. So what did Jack learn today? He learned that the penguins like sandwich.
No,
What do they like?
they like water and fish.
Water and fish. Okay, thank you so much.